The most revealing thing about my AI assistant isn't the model, it's the instructions, so I published them. Last month, I open sourced Hermes skills on GitHub. 10 complete skill packages that run my fleet of agents. Anyone can install them with a single copy paste prompt, not code in the traditional sense. The operating manual of my assistant, readable by any agent. Each skill is a folder with one markdown file. Plain instructions an agent can load and follow. The 10th skill writes the other 9. One skill that creates skills used on itself. The difference between 10 handwritten programs and a compiler. Publishing forced me to strip out every absolute path and username, replacing them with placeholders. The public versions are better than the private ones. The format is an open standard, so the same folder installs on any agent. Capability packaged in a folder, installable by conversation. If you run an AI assistant for real work, you already have skills. Prompts you reuse, workflows you have refined. Package them as a folder with one markdown file, test it on a real task. Publishing makes it better. It took me a year to learn that. Skip the year. Every skill installs with a copy-paste prompt. The full article is linked below. Drop a comment and follow for more.